Hey there, future gold tycoons. Welcome to the ultimate guide on transforming your IRA into a treasure trove of gold. Ever thought about turning your boring old IRA into a shiny pile of gold? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around, and I'll show you how. It's easier than you might think. But first, smash that link in the description below to get your exclusive discount. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity. All right, let's dive in. Transferring your IRA to gold might sound like black magic, but trust me, it's easier than pronouncing Worcestershire, and way more rewarding. First up, find a custodian who's into gold. This is crucial because not all custodians handle precious metals. Not the creepy kind of custodian who lurks around school halls at night. Nope, I mean a financial custodian who specializes in precious metals IRAs. They're the gatekeepers to your golden dreams. Google is your friend here. A quick search will give you a list of reputable custodians. Okay, now you've got your custodian. Next, open a self-directed IRA. This type of IRA gives you the freedom to invest in a variety of assets, including gold. Think of it as the DIY version of your typical IRA. You get to call the shots. You're the boss, applesauce. Fill out some paperwork. Yeah, I know, paperwork, ugh, but it's essential. This step sets the foundation for your golden future. Once that's done, it's time to fund your new IRA. You can transfer money from your existing IRA or roll over funds from an old 401k. This is where the magic starts to happen. It's like moving money from one pocket to another, but way more adult and responsible. Now here comes the fun part, buying gold. This is where your IRA starts to shine. Your custodian will have a list of approved gold dealers. Make sure the gold meets IRS standards. This ensures your investment is legit and secure. No, you can't use your grandmother's antique necklace. We're talking real certified shiny gold bars and coins, the kind that makes you feel like a pirate with a treasure chest. Once you've made your purchase, your custodian will store the gold in a secure depository. Imagine a secret vault guarded by dragons. Okay, maybe not dragons, but definitely high security. And voila! You've just turned your traditional IRA into a golden goose. Now, wasn't that easier than expected? Just remember to keep an eye on your investments and consider consulting a financial advisor to make sure you're making the best moves. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to click that link in the description below for your exclusive discount and more golden opportunities. Thanks for watching. Now go forth and shine. Stay golden, folks.